Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking, guys. I'm going to show you today how to make a pasta carbonara, okay? Great meal, plenty of carbohydrate for energy, nice out on the bank, out when you're camping. Really hearty meal, okay? So I'm going to show you how to cook it at home now. Put it into mylarbags. Take it with you to prepare in the field or on the bank. First of all, I'll show you the ingredients. So here's what you need, guys. You need some garlic, 2 large eggs, salt and pepper, Parmesan cheese, and bacon of your choice, okay? Now I've gone with these, look, these are Mattison's turkey rashers. They're a bit leaner, okay? You all put a few pound on over Christmas, haven't we? So I've gone with the leaner option, okay? So there's 200 grams there. So I'm going to use all of that. I'm going to use 2 whole eggs. I'm going to probably use half a bulb of garlic. And there's 500 grams of spaghetti here. I'm going to use 250 grams, so half a pack, okay? So I'm just boiling some water, ready for the pasta, and I'm adding some sea salt, okay? While that's boiling now, I'm going to chop up the turkey rashers. So as here, I'm using the whole pack, okay? 200 grams. There you go. So there's the turkey rashers chopped up. I say that's the one I use, guys, right? Slightly smoked, entirely up to you, depends what your taste is, but this is a lot more tasty than just the original. So to fry the turkey rashers, I'm using organic coconut oil. You can use whatever you want, guys, right? Olive oil, vegetable oil, butter, whatever you want to use, okay? But I'm using coconut oil. So I got 250 grams of spaghetti into the boiling water, okay? Now I'm going to start cooking turkey rashers. While they're both cooking, I'm going to chop up the garlic. So I've got half a bulb here, guys. I'm just going to chop it all up, okay? I won't bore you with all this peeling. Just show you an easy way to do it. Just smash it. And all the skin will just flake away then. See, it's just easier. Just smash it, right, guys? Simple. Easy peasy, sharp and easy. And so, okay? So the turkey rashers are nice and brown now, okay? So I'm just going to take them off the heat now, and just leave them stand while I prepare the sauce. So to make the sauce, 2 large eggs, Parmesan cheese, guys. It's up to you how much you put in, okay? But I like to put about 6 teaspoons in. Last one. There we go. We call that 6, okay? And then just mix it all up. Just going to check on the pasta. Right, pasta's done now. So I've reintroduced the turkey rashers to the flame. And add the garlic, okay? So the garlic goes in with the turkey rashers, sorry. It's important at this point not to let the garlic burn, okay? So keep an eye on it. So I'm just going to drain the pasta now, but I'm going to keep some of the water, that's important, okay? So keep some of the water from the pasta. That's very starchy, okay, so that will go brilliant. I'm just going to add the pasta. Add some water. It smells gorgeous, guys. Now I'm going to add the sauce. Now this is really important as well now, guys, right? So you don't want the heat on too high, because you don't want the eggs turn into scrambled eggs. This is the point I add plenty of black pepper. Don't be shy, get it in there. And a touch of salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt. Knocking it off the heat. Stirring it all in. There you go, guys. It's up to you if you want to add more parmesan, more black pepper, more salt. There it is. So I'm going to leave it cool now, and then I'm going to put it into the mylar bags. So while that's cooling, I'm just going to clean up with the equipment I used. Right, so that's cooled down. So using 2 forks now, I'm going to divide that into 2 portions. I'm going to put it into the Pyrex mug here, and then pour into the mylar bag. I just find that's the easiest way, guys, you know. Should leave it cool down a bit more. It smells gorgeous, guys. The smell of the garlic and of the smoked turkey rashers. Lily can smell it, she's going nuts on me. So here's your mylarbags, guys. I'll put a link for these in the description, okay? So what I do is then I just pour it in. Look, it's just a lot easier. So I'm going to put a little bit more in there. Because when you would think about, oh, how am I going to get that into the bag? Trust me, guys, this is the best way, okay? Just put it into the container, a vessel, with the quantity you want. I would say that's about enough, so just pour it in then, like so. So there's a good hearty portion in there when you're out on the bank and out in the field or on the trail. I'm just going to do the other bag up now and then I show you how to seal them. So just to finish off, seal the mylar bag 3/4 of the way across. Whoop. Insert the straw. Chuck all the air out. I'll do that again. Seal the bag 3/4 of the way across. Insert your straw in the corner. That's not sealed. Job done. That's all that needs to be done now, is to label them with a date. These labels come with the mylarbags, okay? There you go. So I've got 2 meals now, both the same, so they won't be used on the same trip. You can always freeze them. There you go, guys. That was easy, wasn't it? No problem at all. Took me about 20 minutes. All done. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you put it into practice, and I hope to see it on some of your videos on the bank, out in the field and hiking. See you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Tank out.